CPR saves lives. But safe training starts with clean CPR mannequins. During CPR training, multiple people often use the same mannequin. That's why proper hygiene is essential to help prevent the spread of bacteria and viruses. Laerdal CPR mannequins are equipped with a lung bag that makes the chest rise when air is blown in. This lung bag should be replaced regularly, ideally after each course or every student. Here's how to do it. Remove the facial skin from the mannequin and replace the lung bag as shown. If needed, use a face shield, a simple, disposable barrier that provides hygienic protection between the user and the mannequin. It's quick and easy to replace after each participant. Always disinfect the mouth and nose area of the mannequin after use. It's also important to clean the facial skin using warm water that is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius with mild detergent. Allow it to dry completely before storing. Finally, store your CPR mannequin properly in the storage bag provided. This helps protect it and ensures it's ready for your next training session.